Hello friends, today let's solve one problem based on one concept from the topic circle, class 10, that is the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. So there is a theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. So we are going to solve one problem which is based on theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. So let's have the question. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral, it's given. The measure of angle R is given in terms of the variable x, that is 5x minus 13 degree. Measure of angle N is 4x plus 4 degree, and from this information we have to find the measures of angle R and angle N. So to solve this question, first of all we should have the diagram. So let us have the circle. Now as quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral given, that means all these four vertices, that is point M, point R, point P and point N, must be on the circle as it is a cyclic quadrilateral, because according to the definition of cyclic quadrilateral, if a quadrilateral is to be a cyclic quadrilateral, all the vertices of that quadrilateral must lie on the circle. So if we join these vertices, we get a quadrilateral which is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if we join M and R, then R and P, N and P, and finally M and N. So this is the cyclic quadrilateral. Now measure of angle R is given to be 5x minus 13 degree and measure of angle N is 4x plus 4 degree. So these are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, and we have one property of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, so we are going to use that property. So we'll start with the given, that is quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we have the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. So by that theorem we have the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle R and angle N, this is the pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral MRPN. So they must be supplementary. And supplementary means if we add these two angles, angle R plus angle N, sum of their measures must be 180 degree. Now we have the measure of angle R, that is 5x minus 13, plus we have the measure of angle N, that is 4x plus 4 degree, and this is equal to 180 degree on the right hand side as it is. Now if we add 5x and 4x, it is 9x, minus 13 plus 4, it is minus 9, is equal to 180 on the right hand side. So 9x is equal to 180 minus 9, going to the right hand side it will become plus 9. So we get 9x is equal to 180 plus 9, that's 189. We have to find the value of x. So that's why we'll transfer 9 to the right hand side so as to have in the denominator. Now if we divide 189 by 9, we get 9 2s are 18 and 9 1s are 9. So x is equal to 21. So this is the value of x. We don't want the value of x, we want the measures of angle R and angle N. So we have measure of angle R in terms of the variable x as 5x minus 13 degree. So 5 into value of x we have just found to be 21. So it should be bracket, it should be in bracket minus 13. So 25 into 5, it's 105 minus 13, that is equal to 92 degree. So this is the measure of angle R. In the same way we can find the measure of angle N also. So to find that we have again angle N, it is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. So 4x plus 4 degree. So instead of x we should write here 21. So 4 into 21 plus 4. So 21 into 4, that's 84 plus 4, and 84 plus 4, that's 88 degree. So these are the measures of angle R and angle N. That is, the measure of angle R is 92 degree and the measure of angle N is 88 degree. So this is how we can solve problems based on the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral.